Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. I'm Brian from One Touch Detailing, and I'm here to tell you why I started my commercial cleaning company. Um, I started this business uh, due to me wanting to have more. I noticed that I had a lot of time, I had a lot of free time, and I'm always getting asked from my detailing clients, hey, do you have a cleaning business, or do you clean houses, or do you clean any commercial spaces? And my answer was always no, because I do not get involved in that at the time. I wasn't interested in that at the time. I was always referring to different cleaning companies, different cleaning agencies, and I wouldn't even pay any interest. My last customer I did a couple months ago, they asked me the same thing. They had a 5,000 square foot home. Thank you, Johnny Lottie. Thank you. I had a 5,000 square foot home, and I did the same thing. I referred the workout for the cleaning, and what's going on, man? I see you, Carlos. And I just started to say, why not start my own cleaning company? I'm always referring out. It's a lot of downtime where I'm not doing things. Commercial cleaning is usually done. Um, Loving the videos. Thank you. Commercial cleaning is usually done during after hours, so when you're not working. And this was also a way for me to create wealth and income for my kids. My mom, she's retired. She's not doing anything, so sometimes she's looking for work and income. Also, my kids, they're always asking me for supplies, school things, and that sort. So this was a good way for me to generate accounts, to generate income for myself and also my family as well. So I'm not mainly, I don't want to stick to cleaning with me just doing this myself. I want this to be something either I can hire an employee to do part time, or I can just have my kids come do, or even my cousins, because I know I have a few cousins, female cousins that's not working, that's looking for work sometimes, and they always ask me, "Hey, do you have anything to do?" So this would be a great job for me to do, for them to do. Sorry, I could just leave the clean the chemicals here, give them the address, and they could just come here and take care of the work. Um, More income for me, more income for my family, and we're also building the One Touch brand as well. So walking through. A few things that I do when I'm cleaning is keep the floors, obviously, clean up all the debris, take the trash out, organize the chairs, put the tables in place real nicely, make everything nice and organized. I'm in here, quick clean the bathroom, clean the sink area. Same thing for the female bathroom. We come in here, clean up, and I do this. I do like this month. Sorry, this week I have to do Friday. They have an event Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's raining today out here. This is a perfect example. Let me come back. Sorry, guys. So it's raining out here in Connecticut. There's nothing for us to do. This is another great reason why I gave myself things to do. So come back, clean up all the debris. I go back to explaining what I was talking about in the bathroom. So with the bathrooms, because I come so often, it's usually not much work to do. Obviously, some females came in here and made a mess, but it's usually not much work to do. I came last week and I was here about an hour for cleaning, and I get paid pretty nice to clean this place for an hour. Um, do the kitchen area, which is not bad as well. Definitely needs a sweep, and I don't know what they had. At least a sweep. The sink area is still clean, besides whatever here that is. They left a whole bunch of debris. Jesus. But usually not bad. Not bad. I just take my all-purpose cleaner, wipe all this off, clean everything, remove all the debris, knock it down to the floor while I'm cleaning so I can sweep all that up. Clean up the sinks again, wipe down the microwave area. I like to sanitize these because a lot of people are touching it, so we wipe down the handles of this light area, this bar area, wipe down, and then finish picking up the debris, mop, let everything dry. Where's my fan? I had a huge fan in here. They must have moved it. Oh, here it is.